The House is aware that the Disaster Risk Management Order number 16 is now in effect and will remain in force until January 15, 2021. I wish to highlight the fact that the order preserves the ban on nightclubs, on parties, and all kinds of other events that warrants a permit from the municipal corporation. We have observed there are certain breaches of these provisions in various parts of the country, and those who are committing these offenses, Madam Speaker, covers every spectrum of the society. In keeping with the order, the municipal corporations have not issued any permits for any events of any sort taking place in Jamaica over the last 4 months. But despite the issuing of no permits, more than 300 events are being held on a weekly basis across the country in total violation of the health and safety protocols that have been laid down by the Ministry of Health. There are bike shows, wakes, grave digging ceremonies, church service where the numbers have exceeded the requirement, round robin, street parties, bike shows, you name it, in every nook and cranny of the country. We are seeing a worrying decline in the level of compliance by operators of community bars and taverns, Madam Speaker, which once, months ago, was demonstrating a real commitment in maintaining the protocols. We are now observing that a lot of these community bars and taverns is guilty of breaking the protocol. We are aware of nightclubs, especially in the corporate area, Otrios, Montego Bay, Negril, and other major centers are operating in defiance of the protocols. These venues, registered as restaurants, they are now in fact operating as nightclubs. And in addition, nightclubs being run under the disguise of restaurants. These are a few of the events that are being promoted. Shut your mouth with your little bit of money. That is the name of it, Madam Speaker. Here's the flyer. On this flyer, the promoters have printed that this event is fully endorsed by the KSAC. I want to repeat what I said, Madam Speaker, that the municipal corporations across the country have not granted any permits for any event at all. Additionally, 17 beaches and 19 rivers that were ordered closed in August will remain closed.